Welcome to our sheep and goat slaughter line demo. We'll show you a fast, simple workflow. First, sheep arrive. Rest 12 or 24 hours. No food. 3 hours before slaughter keeps meat good. Video shows simple. Spacious pen saves cost. Workers guide sheep to slaughter zone. Workers manually tie one hind leg. Allows slaughter qualified staff. No stunning. Follows religious rules. But in order to boost efficiency, we can use stunning conveyor to hold animals stable automatically. Or use sheep restrainer. After that, slaughter in a halal way, or stunning by handheld stunner. Blood drains fully via a built-in channel, ensures meat freshness, meets religious standards. Now, the rail system takes over. It moves the animal to the next station automatically. No manual carrying, cuts 30% of transport time versus traditional lines. Pre-skinning. Workers remove small patches of skin, neck, legs, first. Loosens the skin for the next step. Our line has a low working height, reduces worker fatigue. Hydraulic skinner peels skin in 30 sec. Animal no heavy work. Saves 2 workers. Keeps skin intact for byproducts. Workers remove guts on sloped tables, no fancy tools. Saves cost. Organs are cleaned separately. Carcass gets trimmed, remove excess fat, clean blood spots. Chiller cools meat 204 in 18 hours, meets food safety. Deboning, cutting, and packaging. Thank you for watching.